Welcome back to the frontier. If you thought 2025 was fast, buckle up because the last 72 hours just shifted the entire AI landscape from experiment to infrastructure. We are officially entering the agent era. While most of the world is still playing with chatbots that answer questions, the heavy hitters just dropped the tools that take action. First, let's look at why ByteDance just sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Over the weekend, they launched Doubao 2.0. This isn't just a TikTok upgrade. It's a foundational model optimized for agentic workflows. In the old phase, you'd ask an AI to write a mini program. In the agent era, the AI builds the program, deploys it, and debugs the server logs itself. ByteDance claims the Pro version matches GPT 5.2 in reasoning, but here is the infrastructure play. It reduces costs by an order of magnitude. Why does that matter? Because complex tasks require millions of tokens. If you're running a fleet of 1,000 agents, cost is your biggest bottleneck. ByteDance just made action affordable. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about enabling a scale of automation that was financially impossible just a week ago. Imagine entire teams of digital agents managing logistics, customer support, and even software development, all operating at a fraction of the previous cost. This is the new standard, and it fundamentally changes the economic equation of AI. But how do these agents actually talk to your tools? Enter MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of MCP as the USB-C for AI connectivity. Originally built by Anthropic and recently handed over to the Linux Foundation, it's now the industry benchmark. It allows an agent to move beyond read-only summaries. With MCP, an agent doesn't just read your email. It can open a ticket in Jira, update a budget in Excel, and send a Slack confirmation all without a human clicking a single button. Google and Gemini have already fully integrated it. This is the crucial missing piece that turns a powerful brain into a productive worker. Before, AI models were brilliant but trapped behind a screen. Now, with a standardized protocol, they can seamlessly interact with the entire software ecosystem. The bottleneck isn't the intelligence anymore. It's the connectivity, and the standard has finally arrived. Finally, we have to look at New Delhi. Today kicked off the India AI Impact Summit 2026 at Bharat Mandapam. This isn't just another tech conference. It's the first time the Global South is setting the agenda. With leaders like Sam Altman and Sundar Pichai on the ground, the narrative is shifting from Silicon Valley innovation to global scale. India is providing the world's most competitive compute access at roughly 65 rupees per GPU hour. They aren't just consuming AI, they're building the sovereign stacks that will run the next billion users. This isn't just about cost savings. It's a geopolitical pivot. As nations prioritize data sovereignty and local AI ecosystems, having access to affordable, powerful infrastructure is paramount. India is positioning itself not just as a market, but as a central hub for AI development and deployment. The era of use-only dominance is officially over. The takeaway for today: the chatbot is a 2024 relic. In 2026, the value is an agency. If your AI isn't connected to your tools via MCP, or if you aren't tracking the massive cost drops from players like ByteDance, you're building on old infrastructure. The frontier is moving fast. The game is no longer about having the smartest model, but about having the most effective, integrated, and affordable digital workforce. The transition from passive AI to active agents is the single biggest opportunity for disruption right now. If you want to stay ahead of the restructuring, hit that subscribe button. We're tracking every number, every protocol, and every course shift. Let me know in the comments. Are you ready to hand over the right permissions to your AI agents, or are we moving too fast? I'll see you in the next one.